There are different tabs that contains almost all commands, which is useful for creating your 3D model in Revit. Architecture tab. In Architecture tab, it's used for modeling everything. Every architecture element present in your 3D model is created from this only. You will also find many essential tools like rooms, levels, grids, etc. Structure tab. It helps you to create beams and columns. If you are an architect or designer, this tab will help you to create columns, beams, foundations, and other structural elements. Insert tab. If you want to insert any external file to your model, this tab will definitely help you out, like to insert images, CAD links, Revit link, and families. Annotate tab. With the help of Annotate tab, you will create dimensions, detail lines, text, and revision clouds, etc. Massing and Site. This tab will help you to create topography and surroundings like grass, trees, sidewalks, and other elements around the building. Collaborate tab. This tab will help you to manage your work with other people, like if you're working in a team or with consultants. View tab. This tab will help you to put your model on the sheets and create documents. All views are created from here, like sheets, tethered blocks, etc. Manage tab. This tab will mostly used by BIM managers. It contains setting all of your model like lines, weight, parameters, phases, and design options. Modify tab. This tab will help you to adjust elements. Using this tab, you can modify element in your model that includes of basic tools like copying, mirroring, etc. Now, as you can see on the below left side, we have view control bar. This is your current view of window and it will help you to make adjustments like level of details, graphic display options, scales, and cropped region. And you can also see hidden elements in the model or sheets and bring it back if you want. Selection tray. Here you will decide what you can select and cannot select in the model. This little red X showing means the selection category is disabled in your current view. And now if you see on the top side of the left, you will see the quick access toolbar. This will help you to save your project instantly. You can synchronize if you're working in a collaboration from this option. You can plot and print. You can measure through this tool. You can also check the dimensions. You can tag. You can see the tag categories. You can also text. And there are some other features. So default 3D view, camera, and walkthrough. And there is a section option also. And this is a line weight option. And you can also switch the windows by here clicking this one. Now we have the project browser. It is used to access every floor plan, ceiling plan, sheets, family schedules, legends, etc. Properties. In this palette, this will show you the current property of selected elements and to modify its information. To get the shortcut keys in Revit, you just have to press KS on your keyboard and you can also modify according to you.